It's a snowy night. It's a snowy night. Wow, look at the snow coming down. Anyway, this is the same watch that I had on the other day. This is the Timex Shock 200 meters. Great watch, man. This is with the Velcro band. Velcro band, and it's a gray. This is a friend of mine gave me some of these watches, and he put the band. It was with the blue. It was with the blue face, but it's with the gray face. But it's a nice. It matches the watch, though. It's a great watch, though. It's a great watch. It's snowing out here. It's testing the elements. Peace out, everybody. Timex Shock, Iron Man. Beautiful watch, man. Peace out, everybody. Peace out.